Hey there. Are you someone that knows that there's more out there for you? Like you're smarter than what you are currently doing. You know, you might be working a 9 to 5, or you might be struggling online trying to find a way to make money. Yeah, that was me too. I have tried everything from Etsy to Amazon. I mean, everything to make money. So I didn't have to get a 9 to 5 again. I've been there, done that, and just don't want to have to answer to anybody or give up my freedom again. So I scoured the internet and I came across the, $7 15-day challenge, like a lot of people out there, and you probably did too if you're seeing this video. But, during that challenge, I just didn't see a ton of value in it. I mean, a lot of that stuff I had already come across and already learned from different courses and different material that I found online. So I didn't buy into the program, but I knew that affiliate marketing was something that I wanted to pursue further. And I actually found myself on Affiliate Talk. And it was there that I was introduced to a program that I'm in now, and that is proving to be worth its weight in gold. We have crazy smart mentors, and that's what I needed. I needed somebody to guide me in the right direction. And if I have questions, I want to be able to talk to somebody and, find the right path for myself and, make sure that I'm going in the right direction with it. They also have a wonderful community. I mean, this community is like a family that completely support each other. They go over and above for each other to try to make sure that each one of us are successful. So it's just wonderful, and I'd love to tell you more about it. If you're interested and you're ready to learn more about it, comment ready in the comments, and make sure you click the like and follow button.